How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name's Caleb. Today you're joining me in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're in the Venetian. I almost forgot the name of the hotel. The Venetian Hotel. And today we got some big plans. We're going to see the Hoover Dam today, and I'm sure we're going to do a bunch of other stuff. It's our second day here. Yesterday we got here and we did a lot of exploring, kind of got the lay of the land, did a little bit of gambling. But today we're going to do much more filming, and our day starts here in the hotel room, and I'll show you guys. I took a time lapse out this window yesterday, and I'll probably use that for this video, so you probably have already seen this, but still pretty nice view. And then also down here is one of the pools. There's a bunch of pools here. This is just one of them. And it's right outside my window, so not too shabby. But what is more than just not too shabby is this room. Let me turn around here and check it out, guys. This is like an apartment, okay? You've got a TV over here, a dresser. I would never use a dresser in a hotel, but this one has two. It also has two TVs, and you can look here. We got some chairs. It's got a couch. This is actually a pull-out couch, so you could put more people in this room. And I gotta show you this desk over here real quick. Check this out. There we go. Oh yeah. That's pretty cool. I thought it was cool anyway. So we'll come up here and you'll see there's two, I think they're queen size beds. They're pretty big, pretty comfortable. Another TV. And then we'll come down here to the room of mirrors. Hello. We got one mirror here, and we'll turn around here and turn some lights on. And we get this room full of mirrors here. Today's Monday, and we're leaving Tuesday, which is tomorrow, so technically this is our last day here, really. Last full day. We'll have some amount of hours here tomorrow, but I don't really know how many. This morning, Olivia has gone from the room. She wanted to go get some breakfast because we're going to be stopping at a McDonald's on the way to the Hoover Dam, and she's not so keen on a McDonald's breakfast. I, on the other hand, love a McDonald's breakfast. But I'm not going to fault anybody for not liking McDonald's breakfast. I mean, to each their own. Some people like to eat fruit in the morning. What's that about? It's a long way around this hotel, and I keep getting lost. Everything looks the same here. Ooh, we got the whole elevator to ourselves, but we're almost to the bottom. That was fast. I mean, check the ceiling out. We looked it up. This is all hand painted. And we're down here, right outside these windows is the pool. How's it going, everybody? You got a muffin?
Blueberry muffin.
Nice.
Raspberries and blackberries.
Wow.
And my happy and muffin.
Definitely looks a little bit better than McDonald's. But to be honest, I'm not jealous. I'm looking forward to McDonald's.
Hoover
Dam. We're on our way. We're on our way.
I think you get used to working outside.
Okay, so up these stairs here, I think we're gonna see a scenic overlook of the Hoover Dam. It's really, really windy here today. It's a tad bit windy. Super windy.
Nice water.
this is far enough, right?
No, I'm going all the way over the canyon.
What's the canyon? Wow. Can you see the camera?
Oh, I see now. Where?
Can you see the dam? I think we got it. Wow. Look at that, huh? It's a long way down.
Let's find something.
Crazy.
Yeah, like hanging from it, doing shit.
That's where we just were, guys. We were up on that bridge. That's amazing.
Built farms.
It's huge.
Yeah, we're going to drive over there.
Hanging out, warming it up.
I'm a dam.
All right, coming around this corner, guys. This is
The bridge.
the road over the top of the Hoover Dam, so. Quite the view here from the visitor center parking garage. They're not running any tours of the dam today, but I think we are gonna walk down and walk across it probably. And once again, that is the bridge we were just on right there. That is, I might be more blown away by the bridge than I am the dam, to be honest.
Hey, you know what we were just talking about?
What?
That the bridge ruins the scale of the dam. The dam, when you came around,
Right.
used to look mammoth, and now...
Now it kind of looks small. Maybe that's why I am more
Yeah.
blown away by the bridge.
Well, that's just it. Look how tiny those people are where we're just standing.
Yeah.
And I think the bridge, scale of the bridge ruins the scale of the dam.
Okay, we're heading down here to the visitor center. There's no escalator today. We just gotta walk. All right, look, this is kind of cool here. All your different jobs and how much you got paid. Who got paid the most? 125. What's that? Shovel operator. Wow. Dad, if you were working at the Hoover Dam, you could have got 125 for being a shovel operator, the steam shovel.
Nice.
Imagine wearing Volvox.
It was dangerous.
I know it. We got a little model here, and this is really cool. They must have taken a picture either every day or every week or something, and so it's like a stop motion of the dam being built the whole way up. Here it is completed. Let's go start over here. Look at it go. That is amazing. Look at this.
Could you imagine sledding down that?
That would be terrifying. Sledding down it, or riding a skateboard down it, or
You definitely got
riding a bike down it. Probably impossible. We're here on the opposite side of the dam now. Over here where the water is.
Oh, I love how the water is.
Yeah. Wow, would you look at that, huh? All right, so this is we were just in like the newer visitors center, and this is the original one right here, and they're gonna do a presentation in here, but I thought it was cool. These are definitely, you know, I mean, I don't want to say these seats are from the 30s, but I would not be surprised.
When did this plan open?
1935.
Yeah, I'd say that's when these are from.
So probably been replaced since then, but
Anybody else coming?
Dad's coming at some point. What did you think, Liv,
About what?
of the presentation?
It was the best 5 minutes of my life.
It was actually 10. It was pretty good.
Well, I fell asleep for 5 of them.
Liv fell asleep for half of it. But it's kind of cool because in there they have this display that they built in the 30s and they stopped updating it in the 60s because of its historical value. So, like I was saying about those chairs, they might not have been from the 30s, but they were at least from the 60s or earlier. All right, we're walking out onto the, well, we're just about to the middle of the dam anyway. And there's that bridge that we love so much over there. And we'll come out here.
So that's the water line, huh? That's a lot of water they're missing.
That's a lot of water.
See, right there will tell you kind of how low.
That's like the overflow there.
6 years to feed. Today, it is a keystone of the water supply system.
I was looking for the 6.5-inch cables that you talked about.
There's 6 3.5-inch cables on that crane right there.
Those are the ones, huh?
Yeah, see the crane over there?
Yeah.
There's 6 3.5-inch cables that go from there over to the other side.
150 tons of them. That's pretty amazing.
Pretty amazing as the original crane.
You got an ice cream?
Yeah,
How is it?
it's nice and cold.
A good old drumstick? Yeah, you probably got 5 seconds before it's a puddle.
Do you want a bite?
No, it's alright. I think he already walked inside.
There's a penny squisher in there.
Is there?
Yeah.
I don't have any pennies, but... There's some neat little trinkets in here. Dream catcher. Ooh. Route 66, oh, Hoover Dam.
Is that a good one?
Yeah, nice one. Plenty of Hoover Dam hats. Recording?
I'm recording.
All right, ready?
Alright, let's see it.
Hoover Dam. Can you see it?
Yep.
Very cool.
Wow.
Inside the gift shop, and again, Squish Penny, one of my favorite souvenirs you can get anywhere. Okay, wave goodbye to the Hoover Dam.
Bye, Hoover. What?
All right, after the Hoover Dam, we're on our way back to our hotel, and there's an In-N-Out here. None of us have ever been to an In-N-Out. Obviously, In-N-Out is sort of a West Coast phenomena, and you know, we're from the East Coast, and we don't have those around where we are. So we're all pretty excited to try it, aren't we? None of us have ever been in it before, so we're gonna head in and check it out. Very first time.
Good.
We take it out of the package when we get to the car. Picked up a couple of t-shirts, and we placed our order in, and not a very big place, but the place is hopping. They got that neon sign up there. Pretty cool. They were just waiting for our double to come out now.
What is it?
All right, there they go. They came out of the oven, hot and ready to go. And this is French fries. Thank you. Peeling off some of this. It's good.
Five Guys, or is it the same as Five Guys?
Okay, but here's the problem with that. Five Guys is probably almost double the price. Okay, so you're comparing this. This might even be cheaper than McDonald's ultimately. So you really got to keep that in mind.
Okay.
So-
Depends on what you're
Same
asking.
price as McDonald's. Was
But
pretty
the
good there.
burger,
Yeah.
the burger flavor. Do we think the burger flavor?
If we're just
Okay.
basing this on a burger, Five Guys burger
How about
is
this?
10 times better.
How about this?
That's
Two
what I
restaurants
think.
are right next to each other. Which one are you going in?
Five Guys, unless I'm
Five
broke.
Guys.
Five Guys.
The French fries were better, and the burger has better flavor at Five Guys.
Yeah, I think we're all in agreement. If you're strapped for cash, I mean, head over to In-N-Out. I mean, this is probably the best burger for the best value you can find anywhere.
For your buck.
But best bang for your buck, hands down. But if we're just going on taste alone, probably I think everyone would say Five Guys is better.
Five Guys.
11 people, $86.
Yeah, that's pretty good
Yeah.
for 11 people.
Yep.
So
So all 11 of us are in agreement.
Our lunch the
Five
other day
Guys?
when we went
Yeah.
out.
yeah,
That's what I'm saying. I mean, even McDonald's would have been more than that.
I think anytime one person can get a meal for less than $10 at any restaurant, I feel like you're doing pretty good.
Absolutely.
Well, we are now back at the hotel after all that. It's been quite the long day so far already, and it's only 2:30 in the afternoon, and we've already done so much. But our day is far from over because we're gonna get changed here and head down to the pool for a little bit, and who knows what the rest of the afternoon will hold. We're going to the pool, going to the pool.
That did not sound easy.
Yeah, this one doesn't sound too good. So right now this is over at the Palazzo. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Liv, how do you say it?
Is it Palazzo or Palazzo? That's
Palazzo or Palazzo. Either way, we don't really care. So it's not technically the Venetian, but it's all connected and we can go from here to there. So, pretty cool. Let's go in the water real quick.
one sister.
I'll clean it later. Just gotta have proof that we went in the pool. In the pool, we're heading back to our room and we'll probably head out to dinner a little bit later tonight. It's almost 5 o'clock now, so yeah, we'll probably head back to the room, change, and head back out to dinner. Hello.
Okay.
We're on our way to the casino. On our way to the casino. I don't know if you're allowed to film in the casino, but we're gonna go to the shopping area. We'll film some of that. All right, so this is like the hotel lobby of the Venetian. This is where you check in, and pretty neat. It's all hand painted. We looked it up.
Well, we didn't. My sister and your brother did.
Yeah, they looked it up and figured out it's all hand painted. So pretty cool. And we're about to go into the casino. So, you know, I don't know about filming in there. I've always heard it's illegal. I think that has more to do with playing cards than it does electronic slot machines. But you know, if we play a slot, I'll probably film it if we play one. But I'm not just gonna film random people. So going up the escalator, and again, check out the ceiling up there. All right, check it out. These are the shops. We went in there. I bought a magnet. Pretty cool. Have not been in the candy store yet. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Look at this. So what do you call this, Liv? This is called the
Canal.
canal. Very cool.
It kind of mimics Venice.
Venice. Which, have you been there?
No.
No?
I've been to Italy, but not that part of Italy.
Okay. All right. But anyway, so this is very cool. Like Venice, Italy. I think they do sing when you're out there on the boat, right?
These are also hand painted too.
Hand painted clouds on the
That
ceiling.
they had to use laser pointers to show the painters where to paint.
Interesting. Very cool. Alright guys, so you're probably thinking you're in Las Vegas. You could go to some of the craziest restaurants on the planet. Where are you guys gonna get dinner tonight? And you know what we decided on tonight? Craziest place you never even heard of.
Chipotle!
Chipotle. We got Chipotle. Don't come for me, alright? We wanted it, so we got it. Don't think about it. It was cheap, and we like it. And what else did we get? We got burritos. What else?
Bing, bing, bing. Marks.
Is it any good? It was $8, which is like the cheapest drink we've seen since we've been here. So
I like this better than the margarita I bought yesterday, which was like double the price.
right, it was. It was like $15, wasn't it? And this one is $8. So Chipotle for the win, guys. We like it. All right, we are on our way down the escalator. We ran into my parents at the casino, and we're going to check out a milkshake place. We heard there's a really long line, so we might not wait in line, but we're gonna go check it out anyway and see how long the line is. Alright, so the milkshake line was a little too long, so we ended up over at this little cafe. And that might look like ice cream, but it's not. It's
Gelato.
which we don't really know what the difference between gelato and ice cream is necessarily.
It's Italian ice cream.
Right. And this is a piece of chocolate cheesecake right here that I'm gonna try, and I'll let you know how it tastes.
We got stuffed too.
Oh, what'd you get, Mom? Is that carrot cake?
Yep.
Carrot cake and mint chocolate chip gelato.
Yes. So to share with Dad, not all for me.
So we'll let you know how everything tastes.
Because I really don't know where we are in the hotel right now.
How's your gelato, Liv?
Very good.
Really good. How about you, Mom?
It was very good,
The
actually.
gelato. How about you, Dad? What do you think of the cake and the gelato? Did you try it all?
It was all okay.
Yeah.
Nothing special.
Nothing special. I would say the same. My cheesecake was definitely old, but I don't know, it was inexpensive as far as Vegas goes, so not bad overall, but not either good either, I guess. All right, guys, I'm back at the room, and I'm wearing my winter jacket because it's cold, and we're actually packing right now. We're leaving tomorrow morning at 7 a.m., so we are getting packed up and getting out of here. And it's chilly in here, and I didn't pack a sweatshirt. I just brought this because this like packs down to like basically nothing. It fits really nice inside my bag, so that's why I brought it. But it is nice and warm, and I'm packing my bag, and it's cold in the room because the AC is on in here. But anyway, yeah, we're getting packed up because we gotta leave tomorrow. And guess where we're going tomorrow? Grand Canyon. So stay tuned. Tomorrow we're hitting up the Grand Canyon. And yeah, anyway, thanks for watching the video. Hope... Oh yeah, check that out. In-N-Out Burger, t-shirt.
I lived out a dream today, guys.
Pretty excited. We loved In-N-Out. But as you saw by the review, not quite as good as Five Guys. But anyway, thank you all for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you tomorrow.